How you doing? This is John Zimmerman with tabletclass.com. Here to give you a little bit of information or guidance, if you will, on scatter plots. Okay, so generally taught, I don't know, let's say 6th grade, 7th, 8th grade, around there. It's also, you also may know this as like the best fitting line. Okay, so best fitting line, scatter plot, this is what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to go over a quick example just to kind of hopefully illustrate the main concept behind the scatter plot and some of the terminology that goes along with it, and hopefully you'll find this of value if you're studying scatter plots. Okay, so here I have a kind of like an XY axis set up, okay, and on my x-axis I have age, all right, and my y-axis I have height. And what I'm doing is I'm just kind of, let's suppose I'm just collecting information kind of on let's say 100 different people, okay, starting from infants all the way up to teenagers, and what I'm doing is getting their age and I'm correlating it with their height and let's say inches. Okay, so for most people, as you get older, you're going to be growing. As some of you might know counter examples, somebody who's just can't grow no matter what, then they have this huge growth spurt. But nevertheless, generally speaking, in our human beings, as you get older up to a certain age, you're going to be taller. All right. So what we want to do is we like to plot. We like to use graphs, if you will, to be able to plot this kind of data. Okay. And what we're looking for is trends. Okay. So scatter plots, the whole value, or the whole idea behind scatter plots is to be able to plot data and kind of look for correlations, and that's one of these words that we use in scatter plots. So let's go ahead and just make up some quick examples. So let's say we know somebody who's 1 years old, 20 inches. Okay, they're 20 inches. Let's see, a 5-year-old person, maybe I don't know, like say 40 inches. 10-year-old, maybe they measured in here like around 59 inches. 12 years old, maybe they're a little bit taller. Okay, some are, I don't know, say 70 inches. That's pretty tall. But let's say that was the case. Okay, actually 70 inches, that's pretty, I guess that's a little bit taller than average. But nevertheless, you can see what's going on here is as we plot these points, we can see a trend. Okay, the trend is that as we get older, okay, we get taller. Right? And that's the whole idea, is to be able to take a bunch of numbers